We'll guide you through how to fix an HP laptop keyboard not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying because you're then unable to properly go and use your laptop. You can't go and type things. You may even find that you're not currently signed in, so you're wondering, how am I going to go and fix this? We're going to guide you through how you can go and try doing this. We've got some different fixes you can try, so make sure this full guide. Don't skip anything, as different things you can go and try to go and resolve this issue. So if you're not currently logged in, or you are currently logged in, it doesn't matter. But if you are currently not logged in, what we need to do is on the sign-in page, go to the bottom right, and you'll see this little icon here. This is accessibility, so you can click on it, and then we can go and switch on the on-screen keyboard, just so we can go and get access to our computer. So what we can then do is go and click on password, and you need to go and type in your password. Let me just do that now. And then once you've done that, you can go and press enter, and then you can go and sign in at least, and we can now go and start resolving it. First of all, the keyboard may not be working if it's essentially gone and locked, and this is via a setting. So what we need to do is come down to the Windows Start key, and you then need to go and click on it like so. Then in your settings, you need to go and find settings in this pop-up here, like so. So as I said, it may have gone and been locked via a setting. So what you need to do is you need to go and find the option for accessibility over to the left. Then in here, you want to go and scroll down to interactions. And in here, you want to go and find keyboard. Now you want to go and find filter keys, as you can see. And you want to go and make sure this is turned off. When it's turned on, your keyboard is not going to go and work. As you can see, I'm typing, nothing's appearing. But if this is turned off, we'll then go and type, and it goes and appears. So that's the first way you can go about fixing it. Make sure that's turned off. Next, if it still isn't working, we can close out of settings. What you need to do is go and find the Windows Start button at the bottom, and this time we're going to go and right click on it, and you'll get a list of options, and you want to go and find Device Manager, that popped up. Right click on this, and you want to go and find Device Manager, like so. Then you just go and click on that left click. You then go and get this pop up here, and what you need to do is you want to go and find keyboards. Go to the left of it and find the arrow, and you want to go and click on it to expand it, and then you should go and see the keyboard here. Go and right click on it, and you want to go and press Update Driver. Then you can go and press Browse My Computer for drivers. You can press Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and you want to go and select it. And you then want to go and press Next in the bottom right, and it's now been installed. You can press Close. You get this pop-up here about restarting it, but we can try using it. Go and click, and you can then go and see if you can go and use it. Hopefully it's solved. If you still find it isn't, don't worry. The next thing you want to do is go and right click on it, and we're going to go and uninstall it. Then you can go and press uninstall, and we can go and press yes here, or alternatively to restart it, press the Windows key at the bottom, press the power button to the right, and in the drop down list, you can then go and press on restart. I'll just press yes here. So now it's going to go and restart, and hopefully when it comes back on, the keyboard will then go and be working. Essentially, it just goes and refreshes everything, and it will hopefully go and be solved. Now we can go and use the keyboard, and hopefully it's now going to be working. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos like this. If you've got any suggestions, feel free to go and put them down below in the comments. I look forward to helping you again.